There are certain foods that just take you back to so many family and childhood and holiday memories. I'm Puerto Rican, and whenever anybody was over, or anytime we were making a big Puerto Rican meal, my dad would make tostones for us. Tostones are actually really easy to make, but there are a few important things that you need to know. First of all, you need to make sure that you have the most green plantains that you can find. Now, the problem with really green, unripe plantains is that they're very difficult to cut. Start by cutting a long slice into the plantain skin. Next, with the peel on, you're going to want to cut the plantains in about 1-inch chunks. You can then try to peel the skin off from around the remaining rings. Once your plantains are peeled, you can start to make the tostones. First, you're going to want to preheat your air fryer basket. I'll lay the plantain chunks in the air fryer basket in a single row, and then I like to spray my basket with some nonstick olive oil cooking spray. And I will fry them for about 5 minutes. While they're in the air fryer, I prepare a bowl of salted water. Carefully pull the plantain chunks out of the fryer basket with tongs. They're going to be hot. For the next step, you're going to need something to smash them. We use a tostonera. My father actually made this one. You can also utilize a mug or a plate if you don't have something like this to smash your plantains. You'll smash it until it's about a 1/2 inch thick. And then when you're done smashing it, place it carefully into that bowl of prepared salted water. Now you're going to air fry them one more time. Pull the plantain chunks out of the salt water and lightly dry them with a paper towel, being careful not to break them. Place them back in your air fryer and spritz them with a little bit more of that olive oil spray. You might need to work in batches at this phase. You're going to air fry them for another 5 minutes, and then you're going to use your tongs to flip them over, spray again, and salt again, and then air fry until they're golden brown and crisp, which is about another 4 to 5 minutes. My family likes to just eat these on their own, salted and crispy, but some people do like to dip them into garlic sauces. Some people also like to season them with sugar instead of salt, but I can definitely tell you my family is team salt. These are such a heartwarming comfort food for me. I can't remember a single family gathering or Puerto Rican meal that my father made where we didn't have these. The kitchen is always a fun place to gather. I think that's true for a lot of cultures, but it's especially true for Puerto Ricans. And you can be sure that whenever any of us makes a Puerto Rican feast, no matter where we are spread out in the world now, we always have tostones. And now, thanks to this adaptation, we can have them with just a little less guilt. Thank you so much for watching. This is Ramona with Fab Every Day.